Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down again to find a build number. I know it can be quite confusing, but no worries. We need the build number to actually activate the section in which proper option will appear. So first of all, we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen not currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. As you can see, we are right now a developer, so we can go back, enter the system, and find the developer options. If you'd like to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to simply check out our video about the developer options in this device, so you will be able to customize them. So let's enter the developer options, as I said, and here basically we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the automatic system updates option. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really have to remember about updating your device manually, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.